Okay, today I'm going to be taking the Sinking Stream Trail. There's also a historic Van Winkle Trail, which is a lot longer. I'm taking the short one. There's a nice big parking lot here to park in. There's a restroom. And it's clearly marked which way to go. Sinking Trail to the left, Van Winkle to the right.
I guess we'll try this one. We get tired.
Okay, there's a sign that says, "Please leave the flowers for the birds and the bees and for others to see. Picking them means no seed or nectar, and it is also illegal." So follow the rules, people.
A lot cooler here soon, so
It's like a jungle in here.
you'll enjoy this one better.
It's nice and cool. It rained last night. Here's a very interesting hollow tree. But look how big this thing is. It's massive. And it's completely hollow. Got a hole all the way through it. I don't even know how this thing's even alive, because it is a towering, massive tree. It goes way up there. That's incredible. Okay, just a little ways down this trail, you'll find a bridge that crosses the creek. Looks like an old wooden bridge. Looks only semi-sturdy.
Got chicken wire across it. Best things got chicken wire across it.
No water on this end of the creek. And if you go down here just a little ways, it's flowing like crazy. So it must be coming up out of the ground somewhere.
Yeah.
Never been to the Amazon before, but I imagine this is what it looks like. Okay, it looks like we're coming up to another bridge, another wooden bridge. Looks just like the last one we just crossed.
Mayapple, remember I told you they have food?
There it is.
Mayapple?
You can eat those.
I'm not eating it.
There's another one right there.
Eat it. Show me.
I've seen people cut them open. They're like a lemon and lime paste. It's a pineapple and lime.
You're convincing me now.
We never ate them, so I have my doubts about how good they are.
It's a babbling brook here.
I think the chicken wire is holding this bridge together, isn't it?
It's like a jungle in here. Well, you wouldn't die of thirst anywhere. It's pretty much creek everywhere you look. Looks like we're getting to another bridge over this creek. We've crossed this creek a few times. It's only supposed to be a half mile, but I have my doubts here.
Look at that, that's okay. Wow.
There is a,
Look how nature does that.
looks like there's a road up here. And that goes underneath it. This must lead back out to the road.
Yeah,
I didn't know it was a loop. I thought it was an in and out, but it looks like we're headed back up to the road.
This is the little path you wanted to know where it went.
So this is gonna take us back out, apparently. Okay, so this is a loop. Looks like I'm right back where that little sign was telling you not to, pick the flowers and whatnot. Get up here and go to the left, and you're right back out to the parking lot. Okay, so it turns out this probably was about a half a mile, and it would definitely be my choice for your very, very first hike. It's easy, you're not gonna fall off any ledges. It's just a great little first hike to go on. Take your kids, have fun.